Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check software version for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS AIR 4 Pro. You have to start by open SOUNDPEATS application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see it here. Right, so now you click at the three lines at the left top and then go to upgrade firmware. Firmware is the same as software, so right here we have a current version and the last version. And you can check it right here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.